Hi, I'm Chloe from Brit+Co. Thank you so much for chatting with me.
Pleasure.
This is going to be one of my favorite shows of the year, so I'm so excited to just like dive right in.
Love.
And one of my favorite things about any show, but specifically Madison, is seeing just the connections between the cast come through on screen. And I would love to hear from both of you if there was a favorite off-camera adventure that happened while bringing the show to life.
Favorite off-camera adventure with the cast?
Or maybe not with the cast if you have another one, but I would love to hear about anything with the cast.
I mean, honestly, like we really just feel like we're at camp up there.
Yeah.
And so it's just, you get to know people on a different level, you know? I mean, obviously, what was it? Patrick was saying that he got chased by a bear. I was not there, but he said there was what, 1 bear or 2 bears?
Oh, no.
It's turned
Now
into
it's going to be 10
9
bears.
Sure.
I don't know.
Sure.
Who knows?
We escaped the bear attack, so that was
Okay.
good.
I think it might have been a chocolate lab. But
Exactly. It was actually a poodle, yeah.
I think part of the beauty of being up there, it's a really small town, is, you know, there's 10 of us or 12 of us there, and the crew all live there. It's like we all go hiking or we go out for, like, it's a very communal vibe. And so to me, that was as much about, we obviously all go to work and bust our for 10 or 12 hours, but my memories are like going hiking and then having breakfast with people and just getting to know. And I think that's probably what translates in the show is this, especially as it goes on. We just finished the 2nd season, but like this idea of history with people. And I think that just innately happens when you spend a lot of time with people. So.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And y'all also don't only work with people in the show. I love seeing how much screen time the horses got.
Yeah.
And I obviously have never filmed with a horse before, so I would love to
Do you
hear.
ride?
I had a horse-themed 7th birthday party.
Okay.
Wow.
So I don't think I've done it since then. So it's been a while. But I'd love to hear about filming with the horses.
I got to ride in 1923, my first day on set, in the saddle. I got to gallop in. But in this show, this one over here does all the riding. He's got a really cool horse named Stoney.
Yeah. Stone was like, they gave me my horse right when I got there in pre-production, and he was like, that's my guy. And so the days I wasn't working, I was riding. And so like most of my experience with being in Montana has been like, I go hang out with him, we go ride. He's just, I mean, it's a huge part of being out there for me is
For
like,
sure.
even when we have in between seasons, I'll fly to wherever he is and go hang out with him for a couple of days just because he's just the best horse ever. But it's great. It's also like, there's days where I'll be riding with him and they'll call me on set and I can just ride Stone down to set. And he sort of becomes part of, it's like driving a car. He's just kind of my guy.
He's your wheels.
He is, yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like that's all the time that I have.
All right. Well,
my
it's so
goodness,
nice to meet
too
you.
short.
Yeah, thank you guys so much.
Of course.
I have to tell you, Kevin,
Yes.
that one of the first things my sister and I ever like bonded over as kids was Felicity and American Girl Adventure.
Oh, wow.
So I texted my family and I was like, you will never believe
was
who
my
I'm
name?
talking to.
Oh my
Bang.
God, love.
Yes.